When it comes to the world of smartphones, Apple never fails to spark excitement, and the iPhone 17 Pro is no exception. While the official launch is still months away, rumors and leaks have already started painting a picture of what to expect. According to leaker Jukan Lozrev, the iPhone 17 Pro models will feature a groundbreaking display technology called low dielectric TE. This might sound like technical jargon, but it promises significant improvements. One of the most notable changes we might see is a shift away from titanium frames. Introduced with the iPhone 15 Pro, titanium offered a lightweight yet durable option. However, rumors suggest Apple is ditching titanium for aluminum in the 17 Pro series. But what is the reason behind this decision by Apple? According to Jukan Lozrev, Apple might reconsider using titanium in the iPhone 17 series due to several compelling reasons. One major factor is the potential impact of Donald Trump's re-election, which could lead to heightened tariffs on Chinese-manufactured components. Since titanium frames are predominantly produced by Chinese companies, Apple and other tech giants like Samsung may shift away from materials that increase their reliance on Chinese suppliers. Another reason is the high cost of titanium, which doesn't provide a significant weight advantage. While titanium offers a premium feel, its contribution to making devices lighter, a growing trend in smartphone design, is minimal. Interestingly, it's not just about the frame. The 17 Pro is rumored to feature a part aluminum, part glass back design. The upper section of the rear will reportedly house a larger, rectangular camera bump made of aluminum, while the lower half will remain glass. This combination aims to maintain wireless charging capabilities while introducing a fresh aesthetic. If true, this design shift could set a new standard for premium smartphone looks. But here is where things are getting interesting. According to a recent Weibo post by Setsuna Digital, the 17 Pro is expected to retain its titanium frame, dismissing rumors of a shift to aluminum. The post emphasizes Apple's long-standing strategy of using high-end materials as a key selling point for its Pro series models, from surgical-grade stainless steel to introducing titanium. Setsuna Digital argues that replacing titanium with aluminum would contradict Apple's commitment to premium design and quality, making such a change highly unlikely. This flagship device is expected to take a big leap in photography. Rumors suggest a new 48-megapixel telephoto camera on the rear. Additionally, the front-facing camera is rumored to see a major bump to 24 megapixels, doubling the resolution of its predecessor. This upcoming model is powered by Apple's A19 Pro chip, which will reportedly be manufactured using a TSMC third-generation 3nm processor. The Pro models are rumored to include 12 GB of RAM. If Apple sticks to its usual schedule, the iPhone 17 Pro launch event should be in September 2025. The current iPhone 16 Pro starts at around $1,099, so don't be surprised if the 17th Pro follows suit or sees a slight increase. Would you choose aluminum over titanium for a lighter phone, or is durability more important to you? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates.